Good morning, kids. In today's session, we will do exercise 6.6 of chapter 6. In this exercise, we will find whether the given number is a prime number or a composite number. As in my previous session, I explained you about the prime and composite number. If the number is having only two factors, then the number will be the prime number. If the number is having more than two factors, then the number will be composite number. So here first of all we will write the factors of the number, like 11. The factors of 11 will be 1, means the numbers on which table the given number will come. So it will be 1, then number 11. Now here no other number is there on which table 11 is divisible or 11 can come. So here we have how many number of factors? Only 2. So when we have only 2 factors, the number will be prime number. So here first number is our prime number. Now next we have 12. It will goes on the 1, then it will goes on the table of 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, and then 12. Now here we have more than 2 factors. Now here we will write more than 2. When we have more than 2 factor, the number will be composite number. Here next number we have 13. On which table 13 can come? It will come on 1 and 13 only. No other number is there on which table 13 can come. So here we have only 2 factors. So it will be a prime number. Next we have 14. 14 will come on the table of 1, then 2 sevens are 14. Then on the table of 3 it will not come. Then on the table of 4 also it will not come. Then on the table of 5 it will not comes. You can use the divisibility test also to find the number on which table may come. Like it ends with 4, so it will not come on the table of 5. Then after check the table of 6. 14 also not come on the table of 6. Then on the table of 7. 7 twos are 14, and then 14 itself. Here also it is having more than 2 factors. So it is a composite number. Next we have 15. It will come on the table of 1, then 3, then 5, and then 15. Again it is having more than 2 factors, so it is also a composite number. Then we have number 16. Now you can check on which table 16 can come. It will come on 1, then 2 8s are 16, then on the table of 3 it will not come. Then on the table of 4, 4 4s are 16. Then on the table of 5 it will not come. On the table of 6 and 7 you can check. On these numbers also it will not divisible. Then on the table of 8, 8 twos are 16, and then 16 itself. It is also having more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Here we have 17. It will come on the table of 1 and 17. It is having only 2 factors, so it is a prime number. So in this way you can do rest of the parts of these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.